We're going to start off with 4 chicken thighs, and I am using this Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. I wasn't going to do a video on this, and I even stuck my chicken in the oven, so that's why it looks yellow, but I thought some of you might be interested in this Greek seasoning. This is really great stuff. If you've never used it, you might want to pick up some. And then I just sprinkled this on top of those chicken thighs. I put some olive oil on that sheet pan. I'm going to put that in the oven for 30 minutes on 350 degrees. I had already cut up some cucumbers, and these are those little cucumbers you see in the grocery store, some zucchini and squash, and some colorful bell peppers. And also, I cut up a purple onion, and I threw in some little cherry tomatoes. I did coat these with a little bit of olive oil, and I put some of this Greek seasoning on these as well. It doesn't take the vegetables as long to cook as the chicken, so after about 30 minutes, you will get your baked chicken out of the oven and put the vegetables on the sheet pan, put it back in the oven, anywhere from 20 to 30 more minutes. So a total of 50 minutes to an hour, you'll bake the chicken, and voila, this is done. And y'all, this was so easy. And then you just top this with some feta cheese that goes great with Greek seasoning, and you've got a meal. And my husband and I thoroughly enjoyed this, and it felt healthy and definitely low carb.